What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? We are here, and this is Traveling Eddie. Not Jazzy Jeff Eddie or Jazzy Eddie, but Traveling Eddie. And we're going places. And today, all of us, because that's we, all of you and me, we are here in Parque Coyoacán. Another unexpected event today here. I didn't bring my gimbal, so Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jumped over the candlestick. So I'm here in Coyoacán, and this is night time here in Mexico City. And I'm gonna go through there in a moment, but I'm gonna turn around right here left and just show you some stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, I mean jazz. They're playing jazz live back there and all of this. And wow, this place you gotta come to. I've just been sitting here all afternoon, and I just got up after having a nice conversation with a gentleman whose name is Pedro, and he's a poet, and he recited a poem for me. I gave him a little money. Look at that place there. It says the famous, Los Famosos de Coyoacán, the famous ones from Coyoacán, ice cream parlor, Siberia since 1930. So cool. Let's walk this way. Walk this way. Talk this way. Or walk this. Anyway, so let's walk this way. So we got all these restaurants here, and it's nighttime, and everything is thumping and thumping and vibing. It looks pretty cool. Just look, everybody's hanging out, enjoying their time. Corazón de Maguey. Maguey. That's the name of this restaurant here. Nice restaurant, nice place. Good for everybody. Super safe. Super good food. Good prices. Not for the faint of heart in terms of your pockets. But it's a pretty good place. And look at this guy playing music here. Everybody's just hanging out. This is pretty nice. Wow. What do you guys think so far? I mean, this place is happening. Look at this restaurant, Antiguo Palacio de Coyoacán. Another nice restaurant with live artists playing music out on the street. And this is chili, nogada, chili, whatever they call it, chilies in nogada. And this is the season until September 27th. And look at the two beautiful doggies with their little clothing so they don't get too cold. Wow, that's nice. People waiting to go in, sit down in the restaurant. This is a whole park area. A whole park area. And it's only 8 p.m. It's like 8:10. So this is the main park area here in Coyoacán. This is for everybody, the whole family. And that place called Tortas Ahogadas with the Mexican flag on it. Well, Mexican flag is all over the place because next week is Mexican Independence Day. That gives you a timeline on this video. I don't know. I'll upload it sometime this month in September, but I don't know if it'll be before Independence Day. So we got that restaurant up there. A walking tour video. I hope you're enjoying this so far. There's a restaurant right there called La Ca, or La Ca, whatever it is. La Coyoacana right there with a skull. That entrance right there, that patio, it's a very nice looking restaurant inside of there. But it's high end. It's not cheap. I don't think it's cheap. But if you want to come and check it out. Right next to Tepos Nieves. So, look at the archway here, the entry to this park. So, going back this way, I'm going to go to the water fountain and check it out. So, while we're walking that way, I'm going to take this time right now to tell you guys, please remember to subscribe to the channel. The subscribe button is down below. Also, the like button is down below. Hit the like button because that way YouTube will send it out to more people and it'll help the video grow on YouTube. Get more views and whatever, and people can check this place out. Leave comments down below and share it on your social media networks. So check this out. Okay, the live jazz is over there. They're playing that live jazz over there. And I think they do it here on Saturday nights. This is a Saturday night. And so if you want to come and chill here, and the restaurants over there, and just see all this life buzzing here in Mexico City, here in this very nice, quaint neighborhood. This is Mexico City. And this is Coyoacán. And why Coyoacán? Because it's of the coyotes, the wild dogs. And that's the water fountain right there. And then you got the regular little doggies all around here having fun. And people just chilling and hanging out. And the water fountain, look at it. Oh yeah, you gotta love it. Que viva Mexico, viva Mexico. I love it. This is awesome, guys. So let's check out the water fountain here with the two coyotes. One is the male and the other one is the female. And it's right there, look at it. Let me try to zoom in a little bit. Beautiful, beautiful. So everybody's hanging out here. Let's go check out these other restaurants here. People are singing all over the place. You will have all kinds of stuff. Jazz, live jazz, blues, sometimes mariachis, norteños, veracruzeños, whatever. And this lady singing right here. Wow. So she's just finished singing.
Vámonos con un tema de Juan Gabriel para recordarlo.
Okay, Kev TV, Juan Gabriel for you. Juan Gabriel.
Con este tema me despido. Es un tema muy bello que en estos días de verdad hace falta.
So look at this, candle lit tables there. Parrilla means grill, pasta and pizza. And all of this is nice. The Mexican flag is waving high, baby. High and mighty. Very nice, and a little doggy there hanging out. So chili en nogada, this is the season, but it's over at the end of September. Chili en nogada, it's a chili with pomegranate and some cheese, and it's a chili and stuffed with something. I gotta eat one. I haven't eaten it yet. I want to do that soon enough. Wow, look at all the eateries. Cabo Coyote. It looks like a really nice happening restaurant, but the prices are very... The guy's playing jazz over there, nice jazz. And this is a nice restaurant here too. It looks pretty cool. It's called, and it's got the second floor and all of that. And you got some more restaurants over there towards the church. Church is right over there. And look at here, all the lights are blue, white, and blue, white, green, and red because of the Mexican colors of the flag. So you see the church right there. That's the San Juan Bautista Church, and it's beautiful, but it's not lit up at night like some churches might be. So we keep walking here, and look at this. This is like, it reminds me a little bit of Parque Lleras in Medellin, but this is way better than Parque Lleras on another level. Everybody has their opinion, and I have mine, right? Wow. A walking video here, and hopefully it's not bumpy the ride for you guys, because I did leave the gimbal at home. I was not planning to do this, but I couldn't resist. The temptation was too strong. The thing is just happening, and maybe I might not be able to come back here and do this on a Saturday night. You never know. So, wow, guys, you will enjoy it. Café del Barrio Viejo, the cafe of the old neighborhood. El Kiosco de Coyoacán, that's the name of it. So you got all of this, churros and everything. People are just hanging out, just enjoying life. Oops, let me cross over this way. So people are just enjoying life. The church is right over there. I mean, what do you guys think so far? What do you like it? I mean, come on, I'm enjoying this. Que viva Mexico. This is lovely. You know, so many people over here on the other side. And then you got the ice creams, Las Nieves de Coyoacán. I had some ice cream here the other day when I came here. The first time that I did the other videos that you probably seen one or two of them already. And that was a good ice cream shop right over there across the street. Look at all the beautiful doggies. Hey, how you doing, little doggy? And oh, look at this. I mean, this is pretty cool. And they got that bandstand over there. I had been trying to remember how do you call this thing? And it's called a bandstand. And then you got the rappers here doing their rap music and all that. So there goes the bandstand right there. And they're doing some kind of show here. I mean, this is happening on a Saturday here. Look at the little beautiful girl. Oh, I love dogs. Is it evident? Look at this other little guy. Hey. Anyway, it's a happening Saturday night. People enjoying life as we know it. Hey, look, it's Peter Pan. Peter Pumpkin Eater. Wow, people are cool here. It's nice. And the 5-0 roll up, 5-0 roll up. And look at the beautiful doggies. Nice. And this part here is supposed to be, I don't know, Hernan Cortez's old home behind those walls. That's what I was told once. Not that I really care, but maybe some of you do care, just so you know. So this is a Saturday night. It's Saturday Night Live from New York City, no, excuse me, Mexico City. Live and living in color, y'all. The bandstand again from the other side. And this is what they say is the house of the hamster and his posse back in the day. Wow. Oh, look at this group of little puggies. Oh my goodness. A little puggy family. Una familia de puggies. Pugs. Hey, how you doing, guys? Muy bonitos, muy bonitos. Con gusto. Bye-bye, guys. Have fun. Take care. God be with you. Oh, I love doggies. Bunch of pugs. Pugs from Men in Black. And this is the entrance to Mercado Artesanal Mexicano. If you want to come to the arts market here, I'm not going to go in, but that's where it is. And you want to buy some handcrafts and everything, it's right inside over there. So if you guys are looking for something good to eat on the street food, you just walk down the street from the one side of the park towards the other Mi Mercado Coyoacán. Just ask for it in case you don't know which way it is. And we're coming up on the food stands over here on the next street. People are ordering their food there, but this is not the street food. We're just standing in line just to eat. So now these are the elotes and esquites. You gotta eat these things. They're from corn. Different kind of corn here. And I ate some esquites before, not the corn on the cob, because it's different from the American corn on the cob. But these are all the street food stands. And they got buñuelos, not Colombian buñuelos, because these are sweet things. Those are those big things right there called buñuelos. And then they got all kinds of bread you want to buy, eat some bread. And then here the elotes and the esquites. That's esquites right there. It's very nice. I ate some of that with butter, with mayonnaise, pique, ají, picante, whatever. And these are the buñuelos. These are the things. Not like Colombian buñuelos are cheese balls. These are sweet things, big ones, or little chips. And you got all kinds of elotes and esquites. That's an elote right there, corn. They call it elote. Like a big old corn on a cob, but not sweet corn, like in the States. And then you got hot cakes and all of that. So you got all these food stands. Oh, one or two already went home. I ate over here earlier today at this guy's place. Los Típicos de Coyoacán. You gotta come to this one. I ate there, and I ate that combination, and it's good. For $1.75, it's very good. And then you got those sweet things right there. That's sweet. Morelianas and all of that. And then you got coffee here. Oreo coffee, chocolate, whatever. And then you got the meat stuff. I'm not into that, but you got the kebabs. Brochetas, pig meat, whatever. Pork. And basically those are the food stands there, and then I'm going to show you where the market is in case you want to buy some kind of other different things if you want to go into a type of typical market here in Mexico City. Oh, and then marquesitas, and you got all the sweets right here. All these things are sweets, different Mexican sweets right there. And then you got marquesitas, which are like crepes with different kind of things on it, but they're a different kind of crepe, Mexican style crepes. And for 50 pesos you could get one here. And then you got churros. I bought some churros here before, and the churros were very good. And I like it for 20 pesos, a little bag of simple churros. It was 20 pesos. And then the lady's making the little sweets right there, little dulces. And the market is closed. It's called Mi Mercado Coyoacán, but it's closed right now. Most of the shops are closed, and they got restaurants there too, but it's closed because it's already like 8-something p.m. And there's a park right in front of it. So this is where we're gonna finish off the video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a like. Remember to subscribe to the channel. And I'm leaving you here from Coyoacán. Remember, Coyoacán means coyote and whatever else it is. So here from Mexico City in Coyoacán. Not 7-Eleven, but Coyoacán. And have a good night, y'all.